Howdy campers, this is my Tensa hammock stand. The reason it's set up is I got a new hammock from Dutchware. I'm holding the double-sided bag because there's a cat trying to get hold of it because it's got strings. So, trying to figure out what to do with all this stuff in my hands. Anyway, Dutchware, this is my first Dutchware. And my first 11-foot hammock. It's 1.6 whatever cloth, and really good quality. It's got straps here for to attach your underquilt. I'm pleased with the quality so far. I've got a my main hammock is an Amok Draumr, which is a sideways hammock and nothing like a regular gathered end. I have a 10.5 foot something. What do I have? 10.5 foot War Bonnet Traveler, which I do enjoy. And this was on sale and I can't resist a bargain. So here we are, trying to figure out how to get it hung. I can tell this will definitely need some adjusting to stand. My first hammock was a plain old cheap Amazon brand label hammock, and that's when I fell in love with hammocks. Got the Amok, then I got the Traveler, and now this is a long boy. I have an adjustable ridge line. I know a lot of you guys make your own. I ordered this off Amazon from Hanging High Hammocks. A utility constrictor rope, adjustable ridge line, am steel, just to make life easier. If you're not familiar with a ridge line, it's once you get it set to the proper dimensions, which in this case is 108 inches to go with the 11-foot hammock, 83% of your hammock length, I believe. It helps you set up the proper length every time, so you're not guessing, trying to figure out what 30% hanging things are. So as you can see, we have to adjust a little bit. I'll adjust the stand, I'll adjust the hang, but that's how you get the proper hang, is through the ridge line length. So let me mess around with this a little bit, and we'll be right back. Okay, this is almost but not quite, but for demonstration purposes, you want your head in lower, of course. So, here we go. Getting into the hammock. Touching the poles, which means definitely have some adjusting to do, because you don't want to touch poles. But this is definitely a nice hammock. The right size. I don't surprised they're ties on the ends. Let me try and get up now. There we go. One of the ends wasn't tied off, and as soon as I picked up the hammock, the string pulled, the line pulled out, and I had to re-thread it. That was a pain, but other than that, like I said, impressive quality, good hammock, and can't wait to try it out. And especially for the money. Well, next time, hopefully I'll have a good review after I've slept in it, after I got my stand just right. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!